press that subscribe button, you feel me?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
yes,
make sure
sir.
you follow 392's.
Hey, what it do, bro? It's cold as fuck out these doors, man. But it's your boy Paulo, man. I'm back outside again. You already know what it is. Y'all see Big Daytona right there doing what she do, but what she do, Oh, no, that boy got all kinds of shit going on over there. I'm about to rock out with the gang, so I posted a little quick little pop-up meet. Then was gonna do a little quick little run to another county and just vibe and chill, you know what I'm saying? But we outside right now. Y'all see booth 392 over there. That bitch is not a 392. It ain't regular. Oh no, it ain't regular at all. They already got this little law, say we can't gather in spots and shit. But y'all see this bitch right here.
Hey, yo, make sure y'all go follow my boy Pablo. You know, follow him. You know, get the little follow up. Go ahead and press that subscribe button. You feel me?
Yes, sir.
Hey,
yes,
make sure
sir.
you follow Booth 392. You know what I'm saying?
We gotta get a review on this bit for real. We gotta put this bit on the channel for real, for real.
Man, let me know.
Yes, sir. We out here, man. But y'all see this bit. Y'all know that thing running. That bit just running. Y'all see that bit right there. They got a bit down right there. Troll over there, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Somebody.
He just sitting there though. He ain't come over there with no lights on. They
But
had
who-
the little twirl thing going on over there. With the little
Oh,
fire,
it's an event.
with the fire and shit. No, they just over there.
Twirling fire?
Yeah. He's sitting over there, you watching it.
What's up, gang?
You alright?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything all right with
I'm
you?
like, shit, he was getting spicy over there, boy. He was just sitting right there.
I see this 5-0 thing, man. That pearl and that thing go crazy. Camera don't do it. No. Oh, there it go. Oh, you see it right there. Stop playing. That bit look good though, especially in the daytime. He go crazy. You gonna put wheels on this thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more wheels on it.
Okay, okay. You going rims or you gonna get like some racing joints?
I might just get regular wheels, bro.
Okay,
I might
okay.
just get regular wheels.
We out here though, man. I don't know who car this is, but Buddy got the demon badge on the side of that hole. Going crazy. Nah, he around the corner though. Y'all already see who it is, y'all know what I'm saying? He ain't never got his camera in his hand, but it is what it is. What's up, brother?
What's up, gang?
Everybody good? So we outside, y'all see the gang, everybody posted and chilling. We wait for like a few more people, then we just gonna get on the road and hit it. Whatever happens, happens, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get something like that for y'all, so hold tight. They loading up right now, they right there, y'all see. Man, make sure y'all hit them up, man. That's lit. That's turnt, man. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah, appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Thank you. That was shit loud as fuck. Hey, man, make sure y'all hit them up, man. That's lit. That's turnt, man. I appreciate y'all. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Hey, yo, make sure you follow Booth 392. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Hey,
looked up, posted. I see the boy Teaser over there.
I'm like, oh, fuck. I definitely just pissed him off. I'm not paying attention. I see Chargers in front of us. I'm like, I was on the phone with him the whole time because he got the radar. We got stuck behind the undercover in Jacksonville. Oh, but right here, he goes, hey, Bucko, this our exit. I just hopped in the left lane. The Q hopped behind me. There's a hole big enough for a car to cut in front of the car, cut on the road. Sure enough, he goes, ain't no way. I said, he ain't make it, did he? He goes, nah. He said, bro, I know he mad as fuck.
Y'all see these motherfuckers outside. Good run.
Yeah, y'all slide down, sure. We
fucking look good. That bitch look so foreign, bruh. God, and that's that Bronco thing. Yeah, I like that. Chase fucked me up. But y'all see the game, man. Like I say, we outside. I needed this video. I keep saying it, bro, because it was so bad right now. Everybody just scared. This all we gotta do. Ooh, that boy got a chip.
Oh, it's the first chip.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna get no more.
Nah.
Is it crack?
Yeah, that's a crack.
Oh, that's a crap.
Oh.
Who are you behind?
Alright, gang, that's gonna be the end of the video. Y'all see the game posted up over there. Y'all see the game posted up over there. Y'all see everybody. A few people done cleared out already. Hey, this cold weather, some of them had kids with them, so it was a fun little cruise, man. Shout out to everybody that popped out. Thank y'all for popping out. This is boy Pablo, first little shindig, you know what I'm saying? Seeing how it go. Had a nice little turnout. Shout out to them right there, you know, they chilling. But this motherfucking cold, I'm a Florida nigga. I'm a tropical nigga, man. I can't deal. My toes is freezing right now.
I say straight up, a cut that nigga from by that stop sign.